And then we can discuss whether we should have a new dam or not.
But this is an allegation that several leaders, including Dr. S. Ramdas, Mr. Mani, has leveled. He says that politicians in Kerala know that the Supreme Court order will go against them, which is why they are building up this hysteria, making people think that the dam is coming down at any time, because the government and the politicians of Kerala know that the verdict in the courts will go against them. How do you want to respond to Dr. Ramdas?
See, what do we gain by that? What do we gain by that? The dam is exclusive for Tamil Nadu. We are magnanimous to give the waters, Rivani water. That is the dam is purely in Kerala land. The water is given to Coimbatore, the Parambikkuzham. Our brothers are there in Tamil Nadu. Their brothers are there in Kerala. We respect them. And the thing is that we are constructing this dam exclusive for Tamil Nadu. We don't want a drop of water from the. And you know that the more than if you take in the world the dams which is more than 100 years of old, and the dam capacity is reduced to less than 50% the water level. And moreover that, it is the earthquake which has caused the problem.
This is an argument. It's not an argument 100 years old. Taj Mahal is 500 years old.
No, but the construction material is different. Nobody is using Sutri now.
This line mortar is one of the safest. The United States has got many such which have lasted more than 150 years. What are you saying? This is, again I am saying, we must rely on the experts, because that's what experts are for, and appointed by the Supreme Court, not by Kerala government. Because I know you can always find experts of your choice. So therefore, I've been a professor of IIT. Don't tell me about IIT. I know you can find experts by the dozen. I have been myself a professor. I have myself been a professor at IIT. I know what IIT professors are. You went and contacted the experts of your choice. It is only the Supreme Court which can decide this. You cannot decide this.
Let Mr. Mani respond.
And it is clearly said that if the seismic, if the Richter scale goes beyond 6, it will collapse.
That is your appointed expert.
It will be devastating. Event will be there.
No Supreme Court appointed experts has said this.
The Supreme Court has, I see, what is the, let us not go to the technicalities, what is the ground reality?
You have gone to the technicalities.
You can come over and see it.
You want a negotiated settlement, you raise the water level to 142 and then you sit down for a negotiation. First you implement the Supreme Court order of 2006, then we can have negotiations, but not before. Just because you lost the case, now you want to bypass the Supreme Court judgment.
No.
It is a clear.
Let Mr. Mani respond.
It is not that. You find out that's the ground reality. You count the reality. So what is it actually? You want the water for 146. The
142. 142.
If the new dam comes, we can ready to give for that.
That's all right. New dam will come out.
Okay, give me a moment, Mr. Mani. We spoke to Pawan Kumar Bansal, the Water Resources Minister, and he says he's told Oommen Chandy that the centre will try and mediate and convene a bilateral meeting if Kerala gives a written assurance that it will continue to supply the quantum of water that's currently being given from Mullaperiyar to Tamil Nadu and construct the new dam from its own funds. Are these two conditions acceptable to you, Mr. Mani?
No, that's what I'm saying. Accept it to be me. See, the Kerala government have said to the centre that we are ready to construct the dam on our own expense and give whatever the water they're enjoying or whatever the water level they want. What Mr. Subramanian Swamy has said, we are ready to give.
So what's the problem, Dr. Swamy? Then they'll construct a new dam with their own money, and you'll have a new dam, and the people of Kerala will be safe.
No. I'll tell you what the problem is. This case was fought for 6 years. And then the Supreme Court gives a judgment. It is now sought to be undermined by going and asking for an empowered committee. But that empowered committee has not given a stay on the order of 2006. It can still be implemented. The DMK has betrayed the country and betrayed the Tamil people by not implementing that order. That is a different matter altogether. But we are ready to discuss with the Kerala if you raise the water level.
No, he's saying they'll do that. They're saying they'll build a new dam with their own money.
No. They are not saying that. They're saying that this dam must be closed down.